Uh, hello traders, today is the 19th of November 2012 and the time in London is 10:41, in New York 5:41 a.m. Happy trading to you all. The title of this video is the biggest day trading mistake. Traders are making different types of mistake when they are day trading, but the biggest day trading mistake, we will talk about it in this video. At the end of this video, one will be able to recognize the biggest day trading mistake and learn to avoid that mistake. Very important, because we see very often traders will send us email, traders will contact us, and traders will send us a chart when we are talking about day trading. Now there are other mistakes that traders can make, like for instance, traders sometimes, if they are day trading, they can forget to check the economy news. You can go to www.stochasticmoney.com or any of our websites, check or click on the economy news or economy calendar to check the news. You can also, my apology for the pop-up, you can also go to forexfactory.com and also bloomberg.com, Financial Times, Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, my apology for the screen, and also for, to check the news, So there are various places traders can check the news. So this is one of the mistakes that traders are making when they are day trading, to check the economy news, because the news can change the dynamics of the market, talking about the trading triangle. The next mistake that traders also are making is to place a day trade, before the market opens. I've talked about this before. You can check our video on YouTube, George Rio channel on YouTube, to know, what we are talking about. I don't want to bore traders that are following us in the past for a long time, But what is the biggest day trading mistake? Now, we are looking at the Euro-USD currency pair, the leading currency pair. If you are trading Forex, remember, the leading currency pair is the Euro-USD. This is another mistake that traders are making, because they don't know the leading, the market leaders. You are trading any stock on the NASDAQ. For those who are trading stock, you want to keep your eyes on Google stock and Apple stock. They are market leaders, talking about the trading triangle. They can change the dynamics of the trading, of the market at any point. Now, because why are we saying this? Because some traders go and buy a trading system, or they build their own trading system, or they can trade, but they are making some small mistake consistently, day in, day out. They are losing. But some traders get very emotional. Some traders are very focused. Some traders are very, very new. But it's very important that once you know it, you start doing something about it, so you don't carry on, repeating the same mistake. All right, very important. Just to encourage traders here, very important. Why am I saying this? They may say, George, you're talking too much. I've done it myself. It's very, very painful. It's not very nice, and I don't want to get involved in it anymore. And I don't want any trader to go through the same, pain, unless yourself you enjoy it, Now, the biggest trading mistake. So we are looking at the Euro-USD, as I explained to you. We are on the 4-hour charts, All right. The biggest trading mistake, trader will go, for instance, on a 3-minute chart, which I've done myself for years, giving away all my savings, everything. Come on the 3-minute chart, place a trade, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I don't bother to check any other time frame. All I care about is this time frame. This is a serious day trading mistake. I know another group of traders that are stuck on a 5-minute chart. All their trading decisions are made on this 5-minute chart. They don't want to know about the economy news. They don't want to know about what's happening on the hourly chart. They don't want to know what's happening on the 4-hour chart. They will swear to you that everything that they are doing, their RSI is very smooth. This setting for the RSI, this setting for MACD, this setting for CCI, this setting for moving averages work better on this particular time frame. Another group of traders will be stuck on the 10-minute chart, and all their trading decisions will be made here, trading on a single time frame. They don't. It's one of the day trading mistake. Okay. Another group of traders will start on a 50-minute chart. All their trading decisions are made here. Stochastic oversold, they buy. Stochastic overbought, okay, they sell. Okay, RSI overbought, they sell on a 50-minute chart, and they don't want to know anything about any other time frame. But as you can see, as I'm changing my time frame, you can see different picture for the price. Some traders will swear to you and say to me that, in fact, okay, I use market profile on a 30-minute chart. Okay, volume value high, volume value low, time price opportunity, blah blah blah, and a 30-minute chart. That's the only thing I want to care about. Professional traders do not trade like this if they are day trading. The biggest day trading mistake is to trade on a one single time frame. Some traders are also only stuck on a daily chart, which is not too bad because at least they are not on the market noise. Okay, at least they are looking a bit up, not too bad. But there are a lot of problem on a daily chart because traders are making mistakes on a daily chart because the daily chart you want to use a proper day trading system that use the multiple time frame trading system and know exactly what's taking place. All right, now and they will make decision on a single time frame. Okay, for day trading, okay, ladies and gentlemen, is the biggest mistake. Let's go now to the 4-hour chart. Now, how can we avoid the mistake? We must use at least 2 time frames. Now, I'm saying this today. I think traders will put into use to make a better trading decision because it's important for me personally to see traders, moving up and enjoying their trade. It makes me happy when I receive some email from traders that are telling me how they enjoy their trading. Okay, very important. Now, so how do we go about this? Okay, so suppose we are a bit lazy, like I was myself before in the past, and we don't want to know anything about what's happening on another time frame, and we say, okay, 4-hour start. I'm lazy, I don't want to do it. So we draw key levels. You want to buy at the value support level. You want to sell at the value resistance level. This is the bread and butter of trading. Professional will tell you. Old-fashioned traders will tell you exactly the same thing. You want to buy at a resistance. You want to buy at support level. You want to sell at resistance level. But now, how do you determine a valid support level? How do you determine a valid resistance level? But you can go around that, okay, by if you are using, for instance, a trading system or any other trading tool. Suppose your trading robot or anything that you are using give you a buy signal. The next question. Where are we? Okay, is this a valid support level? If it's not a valid support level and you receive a signal to buy, okay, if you decide to enter, you know that this is not the best place to buy, but okay, you know that, okay, I want to take this risk, and you control the risk. You may be very conservative like myself and say say, I don't want to enter this trade because it's not at a valid support level. I'll stay out and give myself the next best opportunity. We draw the key level. Now, there's another thing that we do. Draw, trend lines. Yeah, 2 points. This point and this point allow me to draw trend lines, and it's your own chart that draw trend lines on them. Because we are lazy, remember we can do this on a monthly chart, we can do this on a daily chart, we can do this on a quarterly chart, we can do this, on an hourly chart, we can do this on a 2-hour chart, we can do this on a 30-minute chart. But the key point one thing that we want to avoid is to make a trading decision on one single time frame. We want to use at least 2 time frames, even 3 time frames. All right, nothing should stop you to be a bit curious, to go, for instance, to the monthly chart, and see the bigger picture. But now, because we consider ourselves as very lazy traders, and we want to start on the 4-hour chart, all right? If you understand what I'm trying to do here. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to color my trend lines being a different color, so we don't have too much blue on this chart, okay? Now a bit of sunshine in London this morning, which is good, all right. Sometimes it's always cloudy, I don't know why, okay. Maybe I should stay in Spain. No, I love London, I prefer London, I won't change it, okay. So now, so now here we are. So we see now, so here, These are my trend lines that I draw on my 4-hour chart. Okay, I want to join this one again. Okay, you see the top of this one. You see what I'm doing here? This one and this one here. Okay, so once we know this, we don't want to do this, repeat this mistake again. So these are my trend lines, my key levels on my 4-hour chart. So I'm on a live chart now. It's ticking now, right now, okay? Because the time now is 10:51. In 9 minutes, we will get into what we call the gap periods. So again, some of the things we talk about already on our, okay. So now, you see all my lines here on the 4-hour chart. If I switch to another time frame, I can still see them, okay? All right, you see now? So this morning, this is the Euro USD on a live chart. Where are we? We are at a resistance level. Can you see it? I zoom into it. You see? This price change direction here. Hotspot trading zone. Go to www.stochasticmarket.com. Price changing direction here. Hotspot trading zone. Here, changing direction. Here. This morning, I will not buy here. You see it? I will not buy here. Yes. You see? On the edge of this trend line. Maybe. Take it from here to here. But in fact, myself, I'm very conservative trader. I will not even take it here. I will not. Traders can buy here, forcing it to go back here. So if, for instance, you are using any trading system, you want to know where are the support level, the best place to buy. In my scenario, I would prefer to buy in the bullish zone. Bullish zone, we talk about it also on our YouTube channel, trading zone, check for it. This section here is a trading zone. But there is a, okay, hold on please. This is a bullish zone, okay? A bearish trend line, and you see horizontal line. This zone here is a bullish zone. There's a better bullish zone here, in this section here. The red line and the blue line, this section. This is a better zone to buy. But you can decide, because this is a key level, the blue one where I'm moving my cursor, you will prefer the price because it's a resistance level right now. How a resistance level will change to support level when the price break above the resistance level and retest the resistance level and they find a support above the resistance level. That resistance level becomes, okay, a support level. A support level will become a resistance level when the price break below. You see here, break below the support level, because here it was a support level. Price break below the support level and retested the support level. And a final resistance at a support level, that support level become a resistance level. This is what's happened here. Break below, retest, turn around. Okay? Break above, retest, turn around here. Break above a resistance level, break above, retest, turn around. Okay? So here I would prefer to buy in a bullish zone, which means price break above the resistance level, retest at the resistance level, and a final support above the resistance level. So for this morning, this is my key level. If I want to buy, if I'm just somebody, because I know some traders, they never ever sell. Even in a proper bearish season, these traders are still looking to buy. I feel sorry for these traders. I'm sorry to say this, but you can buy, you can sell. Unless you want to buy and hold, which means you have your share account with your bank, that's a different matter, which I have some stock that I buy and hold, have them for years, okay? You can do, that's a different matter. But you want to know when to buy and when to sell also. So you don't just buy at any price because it's going up, but you want to buy at a fair value, very important, fair value, okay? Good value, okay? So here, if you want to, you are just somebody who always bullish, this is your key level. So in fact, what I'll do, I'll color it, okay, in turquoise. Turquoise is not very clear. Can you see it? Okay, can you see the line? Okay, I'll leave it like this, turquoise. This is the turquoise. Okay, so I would prefer that it goes above the turquoise. So this is my key level. But as long as it remains below this line, I will be giving priority to sell signal. So for today, that's my strategy. If I'm going to buy and sell on this 4-hour chart, I must look for another time frame, because if I'm just making my decision on this 4-hour chart, that's again another, this is what we are trying to avoid, the biggest trading mistake, stuck on one time frame, trying to make a trading decision. Do not do that, okay? So, because we know it now, we don't want to be stuck on this time frame. I'm going to switch to the 50-minute chart because a lot of traders love this chart. Now, this is very important what I'm doing here, and because I want traders to do it properly. If you can't do it, okay, go back again, review it, try, practice will get you there. Practice will get you there, okay? Once you keep trying, paper trade, demo account trade, practice will get you. You see now, all my drawing are still here. This is where I'm taking, you see my turquoise line. This is the key level I'm watching for today. All right, there's another resistance here on my left-hand side. I don't ignore it, okay? Because I don't want the video to be too long, so I want to say the most important thing to you. But do not forget what we have already said, what is taking place already in this messy market that we have been talking about on our YouTube channel, more than 1,000 videos there for free for traders, okay? So here, this is my level I'm watching. You see how, what I was saying to you, see, this is a support level, how the price, they slowed it down to the edge. Now some traders are buying here. I say, I will not take this one up. I will not. Some trader will decide to buy, but I will not. I will prefer, because I'm very, very conservative trader. As Warren Buffett has said, the first rule is do not lose. The second rule is do not forget the first rule. Do not lose, that's the first rule. The second rule is do not forget the first rule. So I stick to that. Conservative trader, I do not want to buy here. I can, if I receive a signal here to buy, I may, but I don't want to. I'll prefer to break above this level and to give me a clear signal. There's a better bullish zone here. So it's a bit not very gorgeous, but you see, you know what is taking place. That's the most important thing. You want to know what is taking place, okay? So you don't make a wrong decision, okay, and get into trouble. So you see now, this is just to point to traders a very important issue that is concerning day trading. The biggest day trading mistake is to be stuck on one single time frame and do your own things, okay? So traders, now I talk about it, do know you can combine any 2 times frame. At least you want one to be higher than the other one. Draw the key levels as I've done in front of you, and then switch to your favorite time frame. If your favorite time frame is 4-hour chart, then you have to be curious now, move to the daily chart to see the bigger picture. The higher time frame commands the lower time frame. My job, okay, for TST traders is to point traders to the market principles. So if I see a trader violating the market principle, I'll say, no. You can't make a trading decision on one time frame. You should combine 2 time frame. Yes, though this time frame is your favorite time frame, you can't just stuck on that time frame. Use another time frame. In fact, if you go to www.best-tradingstrategy.com, we have explained to traders how they can day trade like professional traders. Okay, so here we are. So this is on a daily chart for somebody who's looking on a daily chart. So you have seen the biggest day trading mistakes, which is, okay, traders making a decision on a single time frame. Do not do that, okay? Do not do it. Do not do it, okay? Now, I've finished with that subject now. I want to talk about something else for traders, okay, that are a bit advanced, okay? I'm not going to be too long because the main subject of this video is the biggest day trading mistake, but I just want to go to something very quickly for traders so they may know what is taking place here. I'm just highlighting, I don't want to mention anything here, highlighting what is happening here on this chart. All I want to say to traders that there is a high chance that we may see another leg of the price to the downside. Now, some trader will place a trade to buy and to sell and say, this is what George said. I never said that. Did you receive a signal to buy or did you receive a signal to sell? That's the question. Do not buy and sell because somebody says something. Receive a valid signal. If the signal has failed, come out. That's how professionals are trading. There are losing trades, there are winning trades. But we want to concentrate on the high probability trade. When a signal, you receive a signal, you want the signal, when you receive a bearish signal, you want to verify that the bearish signal is taking place at a valid resistance level. The opposite is true for the bullish signal at a support level. So here it is. In my view, if you look on our left-hand side, as I said to traders, when we are trading, we are looking on the left-hand side, priority to the left. When we are driving, priority to the right. So here, There are some resistance here. If you follow my cursor on the chart, here there's a resistance zone. Okay. In fact, what I will do, because I move away from the 4-hour chart, I'm now on the daily chart, and I'm showing traders there are some resistance here, resistance here. Now the price retested this level and found a support. Now it's above it. But do not stop on the horizontal line. Pay attention to the trend lines also. So that's my first trend line that I'm drawing on my daily chart, because I'm a bit more curious now. So I'm just trying to be curious. I'm not trying to invent anything. All I'm doing is just to understand what the price itself is communicating to me, the language of the price. So as I did on the 4-hour chart, now I'm moving up higher because I have some traders that are very advanced. They probably feel bored with me when I'm trying to explain to new traders the biggest day trading mistake. So they don't send me some email and say, George, today you have been very boring. Okay. Now, all right. So you see now, so here you see these are my trend line, which I color now into red. These are key levels that I'm watching the price now in this zone on my daily chart. You have to understand that what the price is doing now, where are we, what is taking place right now. I'm going to draw another line. I'm going to make this line, the line I'm drawing now, the blue line, you can see that I'm drawing it roughly. What I'm trying to do is to make this blue line parallel to the top one here. This one. I'm making this blue line. I'll just choose one point here, and I'm making it parallel to this one. So what I will do now, because I have a channel going down, I will color that channel into black, okay? Here. Okay. Now, you see now, we have a bearish channel. I explained to traders also that three things that the price is doing all the time: rising channel, declining channel, okay, horizontal channel, okay. So on a daily chart, we are in a declining channel. Now this is not the best place to be very, very bullish. Though we have a support level here, you need to be very careful because you are still inside a bearish channel. For day trading purposes, as I show you on the 4-hour chart, one may get away with it, taking 30 pips here, 40 pips here, 30 pips, 40 pips here. But for swing trading purposes, traders need to be very, very, very conservative. There's no point to be aggressive unless you have, okay, a tested, okay, risk control system in place, okay. So you see that the black declining channel is still in place. Some trader will be watching the edge here, okay, to sell. This was not too bad place to buy because you see now it's going back to the top here. All right, so that's why I'll say to you, paying attention to my blue line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a high channel, we may see another leg down, but this week, you remember that in the beginning of the video, I was saying to you that there's another mistake that they are making, not checking the economy news. There are some debate, serious economic debate concerning Greece. Did you know that? If you don't know, go to our website, stokasima.com, click on Economy Canada. This week, the economy news is in the pipe, okay? And also we are talking about a holiday weekend coming for Americans. There will be a lot of portfolio adjustment. This is like going into the mind of other traders. Okay, I think I've said enough. Okay, now you see the bigger picture. I hope you have enjoyed this video about the biggest day trading mistake that you will put into use, okay, to make excellent trading decision. If you have any questions and you are TST trader, please send them in, and then we will get back to you. Thank you for watching. And we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders.